As the ancient Greek philosopher Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Yet in today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in a cycle of negative thoughts, feeling like we're drowning in a sea of self-doubt and anxiety. But what if you could break free from this cycle and learn to reframe your thoughts in a more positive and empowering way? In this video, we'll explore the powerful technique of cognitive reframing and how it can help you overcome negative thoughts and unlock a more fulfilling life. The concept of cognitive reframing is rooted in the philosophy of Stoicism, which emphasizes the importance of reason, self-control, and inner strength. According to Stoic philosophers like Epictetus and Seneca, our thoughts and emotions are not fixed, but rather, they are fluid and can be transformed through practice and effort. By learning to reframe our negative thoughts, we can gain a new perspective on life and develop a more resilient and optimistic mindset. This matters today because in a world where stress, anxiety, and burnout are on the rise, we need tools and strategies that can help us navigate these challenges and thrive. Let's take the story of a young professional, who we'll call Sarah, as an example. Sarah was struggling to cope with the pressures of her job and found herself plagued by negative self-talk and self-doubt. She would often think to herself, "I'm not good enough, I'm a failure, and I'll never succeed." But one day, she stumbled upon the concept of cognitive reframing and decided to give it a try. She started to challenge her negative thoughts and reframe them in a more positive and realistic way. Instead of thinking "I'm not good enough," she would tell herself, "I'm doing my best, and that's something to be proud of." This small shift in perspective had a profound impact on Sarah's life, and she started to feel more confident, more motivated, and more empowered. So, how can you apply this technique to your own life? The first step is to become more aware of your thoughts and to notice when you're engaging in negative self-talk. The next step is to challenge those thoughts and to reframe them in a more positive and realistic way. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? Is it helpful? And what would I say to a friend in this situation? By using these questions, you can start to reframe your negative thoughts and develop a more optimistic and resilient mindset. Remember, it takes time and practice to master this skill, but the payoff is well worth it. By learning to reframe your thoughts, you can overcome negative thoughts and unlock a more fulfilling and meaningful life. In conclusion, cognitive reframing is a powerful technique that can help you overcome negative thoughts and achieve a more positive and resilient mindset. By applying the principles of Stoic philosophy and using the technique of reframing, you can transform your life and unlock a brighter future. So take the first step today and start to reframe your thoughts in a more positive and empowering way. Like, subscribe, and join us next time on The Philosophical Mind as we explore more ideas and insights to help you think deeper and live better. See you on the next one.